will show you our new flat mop with a squeegee bucket. This is our new item. We have the design patent and the utility patent. It comes with a set of like this, with a mop bucket, one flat mop frame with two microfiber refill, and one set of stainless steel pole with 3 sections. The design of our mop is no more dirty your hands. For the mop bucket, there are 2 spaces. One is for washing part. There are many teeth to be designed here, so you can easily remove dirty and hairs. For this squeegee part, we make the 2 blades, so can make the mop pad more drier, and with the 4 wheels here, so can make the mop pad when you squeeze for more easy and light. Also there is the width to be here, so the easy to make the water to pour out. The mop frame is designed with the bendable, so it can easy to reach the corner. Also there are many holes to be here, so the water can easy to go out with the mouse. And this is 3 sections pole, easy to assemble. Here is with the very long EVA grip, so it's comfortable to be held here with the hand. With the click button, it's easy to attach the frame also. So I'm going to show you how to use the mop. I show you how to use the mop. Now I fill with the bucket with the water, and my floor you see is very dirty. Okay, with the microfiber. First I clean it. The microfiber is very water absorb. Okay, it absorb my dirties all to be here. See, it's very dirty. Okay, I can washing to be here with the bucket. I can use here with the teeth for remove the dirty on heels. Washing for several times, I put here to be squeezed. Several times it will be drier, and you see my pad is drier and clean. So it's a very useful and convenient mop you can use for cleaning the floor, cleaning the towels, for the car, for the washing car and the glass and the windows. This is a bendable frame, so it's very easy to reach the corner to be cleaning.